Alright everyone, so today we're going to build Tutorial OS. As you can see, I have Docker up. There's no containers, no images, and no builds. We can also look here in the project. There's no output folder, nothing of the sort. First thing we're going to do is build.bat, which is just going to initiate the build sequence for everything. On Windows, if you're on Linux, you can run build.sh to do the same thing. Alright, so we've gotten most of our boards built already. It is working on the RPA to 2350, I think it is, for the Raspberry Pi Pico. The Pico 2, that is. Alright, now that that's built, now we can do Docker run for the LattePanda IOTA. We're going to open up Balena Etcher. Navigate to LattePanda IOTA. And flash the SD card. And just to showcase that SD card, it is 100% blank. And now we're going to flash it. And now let's swap from the background to the Elgato. The flash is complete, and here's the Elgato sitting right here. We're going to remove the SD card from the slot and pop it in. We are going to flip this bad boy over and give it a little bit of juice. Pop it in and turn it on. There we go. Why did it boot into... Oh no! Grab the secondary keyboard. Like it. And I press the reset button. No, I pressed the power button. Oh, I didn't even need it. And there we go. Tutorial OS is booting on the LattePanda IOTA. You can see it's running the N150 CPU with a base of 800 megahertz for the CPU, 16 gigs of RAM unified, so it drops it. The boot sequence, UEFI to bootx64.efi, which is this file. Peripherals, USB host is active, SD card is active, I2C is off, with the temp of 42 degrees Celsius, with no throttling, no cap. Resolution for, what is that, 1440p? 32-bit mode, interface, UEFI, GOP.